In this video, we'll show you how to replace the liftgate actuator on your Ford Edge. This is located in the rear of the vehicle and attached to the liftgate. Let's get started. In order to access the electrical connector, we need to pull down on the driver's side D pillar here. Just pop down the trim. And that gives us access to our electrical connector. There's a small tab up top. Press in on the tab. Pull up on that. The wiring harness coming from the actuator has a grommet going into the body. I'm just going to use a trim tool to pop this out. You can certainly use a flathead screwdriver for this. Now we can work the rubber grommet off of our plastic clip here. And then we have 4 tabs to press in on. Then you can feed the rest of the harness out. We have a small clip on the back side of the strut here. I'm just going to use a flathead screwdriver to pop that out. Now before we pop this off of the liftgate, it's important to have the liftgate supported. I'm just using a pole jack. And we can do the same to the other side of the strut. Our new strut comes with the tabs already installed, and we don't need to remove them to push this on. Simply line it up with the ball and push down. And we can do the same up top. We'll feed the wiring back into the body. And you can press in on the grommet. Make sure that fully seats. Plug in the electrical connector. Make sure that's fully seated and not going to pull back out. And line up the clips of the D-pillar trim and press in. Go ahead and test out the function of the liftgate support. Be sure that they're working properly. If they are, you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.